is Kat and I'm the head instructor here at Laka Lodge, and we had some pretty exciting developments happen. So a couple of nights ago, a turtle actually came up to nest on our very own private beach. So Laka Lodge has its own beach, and usually turtles don't come up to nest here. This is because despite trying to hide the hotel behind palms and trees, there's still some light coming out here, and typically that deters turtles from nesting on a beach. There are plenty of other empty, uninhabited islands where turtles can go to nest, and even Itsemia, which is very protected, so they have plenty of space, but this particular turtle decided to come here. Very exciting stuff. However, she nested very close to the tide line, so we checked and we found out that within 20 days the tide would have risen to a point that the turtle nest would have drowned and all the babies would have drowned. So in circumstances like this, quite often nest relocations happen. So when I was in Monrepos Conservation Park in Australia, I saw one of these events take place. And what they do is they very carefully dig up the site once the turtle has left into the ocean, measure the depths of the nest, and then recreate the nest further up in the dunes to protect it from tourists as well as other potential threats like the ocean. So this is what we did here. So the Laka Lodge team along with the Murray National Park got together, found a spot to relocate the nests to, and carefully dug up the nest, counted 115 eggs for this particular green turtle, and moved it. When scientists relocate nests, what they do is they carefully find the site, dig them up, and place them into a bucket, carefully making sure that the order in which they're placed in is the same as when they're going to be taken out, so as to not to disturb the development of the eggs. Usually gloves are supposed to be used to make sure it is a sterile environment and to not pass on anything onto the eggs. Unfortunately, we did not have any. This relocation should occur as soon as possible after the laying of the eggs. Even if the egg is just underwater for 2 minutes, it decreases its chance of hatching by 30%. And this is why we decided to try and rescue these eggs to the best of our ability and relocate them to a safer location. Just pretending I'm a turtle, you know? So now we're just waiting the 60 days of incubation to see the little babies emerge. Do not try this at home. Everyone here is just trying our very best to help the conservation of these animals. We're in a very isolated place in Moheli, in the Comoros, so in general we don't have any specialized equipment or extraordinary amounts of knowledge, but we tried our very best with what we can. We're always looking forward to learning more, and this was just kind of out of the blue situation where the turtle did decide to pick our beach to nest on. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Make sure to check out the photos. If you're curious about the whole relocation process, I have written up a blog of the whole everything that was done, all the considerations, so check that out down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.